Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the advantages of using the Semrush website. If you are a digital marketer, website owner, or someone looking to improve your online presence, then this video is for you. Keyword research. The first advantage of using Semrush is its powerful keyword research tool. Semrush helps you identify the most relevant and popular keywords related to your industry, allowing you to optimize your website content and improve your search engine rankings. With Semrush, you can also track your keyword rankings and identify opportunities to increase your visibility in search engine results pages. 2. Competitive analysis. The second advantage of Semrush is its competitive analysis tool. With Semrush, you can analyze your competitors' websites, including their search engine rankings, backlinks, and advertising strategies. This information can help you identify areas where your competitors are performing well, and develop strategies to improve your own rankings and visibility. The third advantage of Semrush is its site audit tool. This tool checks your website for technical issues that may be affecting your search engine rankings. With Semrush, you can identify and fix issues such as broken links, missing meta tags, and duplicate content, which can help improve your website performance. The fourth advantage of Semrush is its backlink analysis tool. With Semrush, you can analyze the backlinks pointing to your website, identifying opportunities for building high-quality links and improving your search engine rankings, all in one platform. Finally, Semrush is an all-in-one platform for SEO and digital marketing.